Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the 2 fragments that you need to scan in order to unlock the thermal plant. So to go find the thermal plant, you're going to need to head to the lava zones of the game, either here or some of them in the later part of the game, the end game. And we're going to go somewhere between east and southeast into the lava zone. And if you don't already have it, you're going to need to have unlocked the heat adaptation from cleansing the 3rd angel comb using your sonic resonator. So as we sort of head to the directly east-southeast, we're going to encounter this little platform here. We're going to zip around sort of to the left of it. And what we're looking for is a ledge that overlooks the tailing village. If you're unfamiliar with what the tailings are, they are some alien critters that used to live here, but they've suddenly disappeared. So we are looking for their village, and once you start seeing the remnants of their village, you'll usually see like all of their little buildings and stuff first as you approach. You're going to look for the cliffside. When you're in the middle of the village, you're going to look to the west, and you're going to look towards the cliffside that is to the west of them, overlooking the entire village here. That's where you're going to find 2 fragments, and you only need 2 fragments in order to unlock the thermal generator. So there's a full thermal generator here, and then a partial thermal plant chunk right here. And now, I do know that there is sort of an... So while you're getting that, I'm going to go ahead and hit escape here so that you can see my coordinate locations in the lower right hand corner. That way, if you do like to navigate via coordinates, you can find that. Just be careful, because this bad boy likes to be a pest while you're in here, and all of these smaller little critters that are following me, they like to point out where you are so that he can come try to bite you. Just keep in mind that you can parry him with your multi-tool, or you can use a flashlight to blind him. So with that in mind, I am aware that sometimes these fragments bug out and you can't always scan the ones that I show you. So I'm going to show you a 3rd backup fragment just in case. So with that in mind, I'm going to show you the location of another fragment that you can get that'll help you in case you need a spare. So we're going to cruise around this hillside from where the thermal plants are, and we're going to look for a cave that's going to open up right over here somewhere. Somewhere along this face over here. I believe it's down here. Yep. Right down here. And then inside of this cave is going to be another free fragment of the thermal plant. So down inside of here somewhere it's hiding. Here we go. So here's another one. And if you need, here's the coordinates for that. It's literally just in the cave system directly below the other 2 fragments, but here's the coordinates if you need it. You can just pause and look at those, and then you should be good to go. And so the whole point of the thermal plant is that if you're living in an area with a lot of hot water tubes that shoots out magma, like these sort of almost like volcano tubes here, you can stick the thermal plant next to them, and the closer you get to them, the more power that will be generated. So what you can do is you can pop out here and get out your tool. And then you get the thermal plant, and it'll kind of show you where you can place it and how much power it will generate, which can be really handy. So as you're trying to place it, the closer you get to these thermal vents and the hotter the thermal plant is, the more energy it generates, is what I'm trying to get across before that obnoxious shark decided to bite my face off. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a look at where to get the thermal plant schematic inside of Subnautica 2. And until next time, bye everybody, and have a good one.